Welcome to France, guys. I just stopped at the gas station and guess what happened? I checked everything. I checked my oil, I checked my electricity, I checked my water, everything before we go on a holiday and have an 800-kilometer drive. And we stopped at the gas station and oh, it's not starting anymore. It's not even the sound of starting. Yeah, so we have to troubleshoot the car again, of course. I know I've been looking around, checking everything, but of course because we have no sound coming from the starting engine, I checked over there and I found a loose wire. We had to do it right, but it's right there. We can reconnect it again, so it should be okay. Whoo! Let's start the engine and check if it works. Did it fix my problem or not? And it's starting again. Woohoo! Let's go, baby! And the first thing that we do, of course, is going to the beach where there's a lot of water sports going on. With this nice, beautiful, rocky shoreline and patches of beautiful white sandy beaches in between. And then this amazing blue aqua water is just blows me away. And then we are going to the hotel, and this is the area around the hotel. You can see it's a sort of a massive lake, a big cala with little islands in between. And there's a lot of water around the village. And inside the village, in the center of the village, we got an old school, really old church. We unpack our stuff and leave it at the hotel, and it's time to go and explore Bretagne, close to the big old city of Venice. And we go hiking along the river, and this is all salt water. There's no fresh water, it's all salt water, and it's just beautiful forest on one side and water on the other side. It's just amazing, breathtaking views that I'm just like, wow, this is nothing like we have back home. Just look at it, I'm just melting away, and I already felt straight at home. I'm just near a little boat. And the hike was just nice. Nice sunny warm weather and a beautiful sight and all green around me. It was just amazing, and almost no tourists. I was just completely alone and I was just loving it, making these beautiful shots with the Mavic Mini. All in manual volume mode was not available at the moment. But I was not quite alone. On the other side there were a few other hikers, because there are a lot of trails for hikers around this beautiful cala. And of course we're going straight to the water and we see this beautiful catamaran. I love catamarans, I'm just crazy about them. I want one, but they are super expensive. I'm right here in a beautiful place where there are a lot of boats and there's fast current, very crazy fast going current, because there is low and high tide. There is a high flow of water going through this narrow passage, and I'm just chilling there on the rocks at the back garden of these houses. They got their own stairs and I'm just in their private little space, chilling on the rocks, flying the drone above salty water. It scared me. It scared me from time to time. I had my heartbeat, but then I was looking at this view and I was like melting away. How beautiful. I can stay here the whole day. I can stay here the entire day. Just look how beautiful it is. Amazing. An amazing place. I definitely recommend you to go, if you come to France, come and visit Venice. The old city in Bretagne, the province of Bretagne. And you can see several islands in the cala. It's just amazing how massive it is. If you see it on Google Maps, you're like, heck yeah, that is where I want to go. That's how I picked my spot. And you can see how beautiful it is, and the color of the water, and how many boats. It's just amazing. I'm just melting away. Also because it was super warm that day and sunny. But check out this massive island. This is a beautiful beach. And two major harbors. Just super nice. And a lot of small islands in between. It's just amazing little place. And then there's a small fishing village, as you can see. The tourist village, and just amazing houses. They really have a nice, beautiful view every morning that they're waking up. They're like, man, and they're right at the water. That's just Like even better because they have the view. Back home I'm living right at the water, but I don't have the view because I have a dike, a hill in between me and the water to protect me, or else we will be sinking and swimming. And this is just amazing. I love French. But then I see there's a lot of boats and you can see a little bit of the current flowing through it. It's just really rough waters. And check out this sailboat. He's getting in trouble. And wait. And the current is super strong at this point and he's just not getting an inch forward. He's just stuck. And then he had to really full throttle it to get out of there. It's just, and I was like, well, check out those little boats that are coming up. Maybe they get in trouble as well, you know. I'm just gonna have to check because they are going in against the stream at this moment, and that's I saw how much that sailboat was in trouble. Of course, that sailboat has a long keel and has a lot of drag in the water, so current has a lot more effect on a sailboat than on a dinghy or a small boat that is just floating on top of the water instead of going through the water like a sailboat with its long heavy keel. But man, this shite is just beautiful. I was hoping it was never ending, and then I checked out and I saw this house and I was like, what? Check out the balcony. Each morning having your breakfast and then having this view. Man, that's worth at least $1 million that house, if not more. That's just an amazing place to pick and to build your house, and then with a balcony. Man, they made the right choice. But then the battery was empty. So later that day we went to a little island, one of those islands that you can only visit at low tide with your car. There's a small little road that you can see in the back that is only comes up at low tide. At high tide that road disappears and cannot access the island, only by car. So there was no tourists around, super quiet, had beautiful, sun was setting and I had this amazing view, but you can see that the sandbanks goes on and on for a lot of kilometers into the river, and you can see a little bit of those lines. Well, those are oysters. That's where they grow oysters. Yeah, they don't taste nice, but and in Holland they grow along the rocks, but here they got them oyster farms, and there are a lot of those oysters, all hidden in little different bags, from small to big. And every time they get bigger, they will be placed in new and different kind of bags. I really hope you liked this episode and helped me to reach 10k and subscribed. And I hope to see you next time. And if you want to give this video a thumbs up, that will be very much appreciated. Thank you very much. This is How to DC signing out. Hope to see you next time. Goodbye.